Whoa.
So
Massive ear ringing.
are you talking to Mateo? Are you putting a ringing in his ear?
And it's gone.
Okay, so obviously you don't like light.
Why don't you turn that flashlight off on the chair?
Since you don't want to turn it on.
Maybe you can turn it off.
Exactly. Because you keep turning off our laser grids, can you turn the flashlight off? That's on the chair.
It's flickering.
Oh. There you go.
Come on, you can do
There
it.
you go.
Turn that off.
Yeah! Now can you...
There you go.
Okay, so we know you hate the light, but for our entertainment, can you turn it back on so we know that you're here with us still?
Yeah.
Is that possible?
Convince us,
Can you turn it back on just briefly and then turn it off?
please. Give us some structure.
Just a flicker.
Come on, you can do it.
There,
Thank
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Now, if you don't like it, you can turn it off and we'll
Yeah,
keep the
but-
light off.
Yes, we just needed to make sure we had something structured to let us know and prove that you were here.
Oh, shit.
I mean, camera just died.
Okay. You don't... What? Okay.
It's not really cold. Oh,
There it goes.
Oh, I know, I told you.
Temperatures?
Yep. Whoa. How much?
Of course.
How much?
Shuts off my camera and I have to go to the power setup.
Dropping.
Oh my god, I told
I have
you.
major goosebumps right now.
I know, I do too.
Okay.
It dropped a couple degrees in.
There you go.
Jeez.
Okay. You're still with us. Turn the light off.
I think you're kind of having some fun, huh? This is fun.
68. That's the coolest I've seen it so far.
Well, the light's back on
The laser grid's almost off.
and the light's going back off. That's a lot of...
Can you structure that? Do you not want us in here?
We're not sure how you are trying to communicate with us. We're trying to understand what you want from us.
Are you doing Morse code? Unfortunately, I don't know Morse code.
All right, flashlights out. Laser grids are dim. 2 of the 3 are dim.
Do you want us to go?
Is that a yes?
Is that a yes by turning that on?
Is that what you're trying to tell us? If you want us to go, I guess turn it off and turn it back on. Blink it, maybe.
Or do you want us to stay and play? I mean, it's up to you. I mean, we can go visit other parts of the building if you're bored with us, don't want to talk to us anymore.
Can you turn something off if you want us to stay? Okay, how about turn something off if you want us to leave?
Either these grids or the flashlight or... Oh.
Okay. We'll come back. How about that? Is it okay with you if we come back?
Maybe later on or something.
We do enjoy your company. We do feel you, and we're having a good, we're having a good time getting to know you.
Can you turn the light back on if it's okay if we come back later?
Yes, no, maybe so.
Not looking good.
No, okay.
No,
Okay?
Okay.
All right, then we're gonna leave you alone for a little bit, give you some time to do whatever you wanna do. And we will be back later on tonight, towards the end of the night. How about that? Okay?
Sounds good.
All right. And
Thank you for talking with us.
Yes, we appreciate your interaction. Very pleased for the first session down here. That's good stuff.